Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to make it one character among Us and Santa. Now I am going to draw it. Take it your pencil, take it your colors. I am going to start it here. I am going to make it first face of Among Us. Now I am going to make it a cape, which is leaning towards downside. Now I'm going to make it a body part. Here Among Us is ready, and few clothes. I'm going to make it blazer, its belt, now I'm going to make it one hand, which he is holding a bell. A bell on a hand. Now a few snow at the downside, one Christmas tree, at the side, now few gifts. Now I'm going to start a color, taking a sky blue color and a dark blue color. First I'm going towards a face with a dark blue color, and I'm going to merge it with a sky blue color. Merging with a sky blue color. Mix it properly. White color at the center. Here our face is ready. Now I'm going towards a red color to show the blazer and a cap. Here I covered my cap. Now going towards a blazer. Fill it proper. Do not go in belt. Cover the trouser with a red color. even at the back portion. Even in the arms, yellow color in the belt, red color in the gift. Do not go in a strip of the gift. Take it sky blue in the strip. Now few snow at the ground level. Here few snow is done, few sky by doing a light toning. If you want to give a dark shades on the sky, you can make it little bit dark with a Persian blue. Here going towards green color and few snow I am going to show, so I am not covering a fully portion. Rest of yellow color, few merging with light green color. Here my Christmas tree is done. Now few snow in the air. Even also you can stick it thermocol balls to show the snow. Few at the ground. And lastly, black color in the belt. Among Us is ready with the Santa features. Thank you, friends.